Stop.
Because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
No, hold it tight.
I'll be holding it tight.
Here we go again. This is literally crazy.
Hold on then.
We gotta take this into school. I'm gonna die in this thing. Well, that was fun.
How was that?
Thank God I didn't die. One thing, never do this again. Oh, thank God this is over.